Welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. So Madam Glam sent me these four cute ass colors, like, yeah. So the first color I'm gonna be swatching is Nova, and you already know the formula is smooth, opacity is there as usual, and I love how pigmented these are. So there's Nova, looking wonderful. And the next color is Pistachio. Look how pretty this color is. Can't wait. I'm gonna use all of these to do this set. So yeah, and I'm gonna be doing a little abstract pattern. I know you guys were loving what you saw in the beginning. This pretty color is Tinsel. Use code BLICHE for 35% off your entire order. If you do not wish to join the VIP program, select the pay-as-you-go option at checkout. So the fourth thing that they had sent me wasn't a color, it's actually something wonderful that I have been telling you guys I needed to get. This is a peel off base coat and it worked very well. It was very strong, and I have to tell you guys about my crooked nail. So I knew that my first finger was crooked, but for some reason, you're gonna see me struggling later to file it straight. I thought that I could work around it. Never tried to work around it, okay? We were aiming for the perfect nails with Madam Glam, and thank God they came out perfect, you know, because we were using Madam Glam. But the first finger, I shouldn't have gone with the flow. I should have just taken it off and repositioned it, because I was using peel off base coat. I was not using glue. I was definitely being stubborn and trying to work around my mistake. But next time, we ain't doing that. So now I'm applying this polygel. I blended a couple colors together. They are linked below. And these are three colors that I thought would look perfect with these colors from Madam Glam in contrast. So here we are struggling with my pointer finger. The crooked finger that I knew was crooked but kept on going. Yeah, this, once I apply the polygel, you can really see how crooked it is. But we're gonna soldier on, because this is not about that. This is about how to achieve the perfect nails with Madam Glam. So that's what we're doing here. And it's still gonna be the best nails ever, because yeah. Oh, and guys, this cuticle stick and I are now married. It is a relationship, okay? The way that the cuticle stick just does my cuticle area, I mean, there will be no greenies here. There will be no lifting here. It's just so flush. I've gotten so much better, and I hope that you guys notice that I've improved, because you know the cuticle area is my favorite, and I want my cuticle area game to be on point, okay? Do you see those taps? Do you see the patience? And whenever I do anyone's nails, when they model for me, I always, you know, take my time with theirs the same as I do mine. Now I'm going in with my Airsee 35K RPMs right there, but this is my favorite drill at the moment. It's cordless and it does what it needs to do. I had to switch out that little 180 grit. I had to switch that out for a 240, because when I tell you this first finger was crooked, you won't believe. But it's okay, because I did what I had to do to straighten it out, and you're barely gonna be able to notice, but I noticed. So yeah, ladies, gentlemen, everybody doing your nails, okay, just take it off and reposition it. If you are able to get your Madam Glam peel off base coat, it is available on the website, and you can get you some of that. Let that be your first purchase. Get you some peel off base coat, so when you're doing your practice sets and you're perfecting your placement and your precision, you can use that. I did tell you guys that I am going to use all 3 of the gel color polishes that they sent me, because the Pale Off Base Coat is also a gel, but it is for utility and not for a beauty and splendor like these beautiful colors. Look at Pistachio. This is why I wanted to put this over it, because I knew it was going to be such a pretty contrast. So yeah, you guys, as you may know, I've been partnering with MADAMGLAM for a while, and I just wanted to tell you some things that I love about MADAMGLAM. So MADAMGLAM's mission is, of course, to provide you with the healthiest products in the nail industry. They offer certified vegan gel polish that is HEMA-free, cruelty-free, and 21-free. If you're an advocate for the animals, our environment, and well-being, MADAMGLAM is for you, okay? It is also palm oil-free and gluten-free, and they have over 800 shades available and launch new colors every month, okay? So definitely use my discount code to shop these lovely, wonderful, environmentally and health-conscious people. I really like that about this company, and the fact that their products just give. Their nail polish is some of the best that I've used, and this is the most consistent partnership that I've had as an FYI. So I trust these people. I know that they deliver what they're supposed to, and yeah, you guys need to shop MADAMGLAM. Look at this beautifulness. This is a freestyle, of course. I did not know what I was going to be doing, but the colors were just so pretty. I thought I was going to go in and do one simple line, and then I went in and filled those in because it's just so beautiful. And please don't worry about it being streaky. This was my first time using a matte top coat, so I just wanted to do something cool over top of it. I've seen a lot of sets with line art over a matte top coat, and I thought it looked really, really cool. So I just wanted to put my own twist on it and give you guys some perfect nails with my MADAMGLAM. So please continue to enjoy the rest of this tutorial. And if you like what you see, please don't hesitate to let me know below. I make these videos like I get so much feedback from you guys, and I'm talking to myself for now, but I know soon you will come. You all will come and find your home to learn the polygel ways. You'll come here and subscribe. You know, and if you're not subscribed and you're still watching, please like this video and subscribe. I have more in store for you. I am ending this set with one chrome heart charm well, chrome heart inspired charm on my thumbnail, and I am actually going to go and get an opinion from a special guest. Okay, so you guys are gonna come along with me as I go to get my special opinion. Do you like my nails? Yes, he likes my nails. Bye, my sweeties.